Here are 3 new updates to Generative Fill in Photoshop Beta. First off, a larger prompt window. Next, partner model prompts with multiple reference images. And the Firefly 5 AI model. Let's unpack these. Our first update is a bigger prompt window. So one of the nice things is that you have this very large prompt window. So I have this very long prompt, and in the previous version of Photoshop, I definitely would not be able to put this entire prompt in the tiny window it gave us. Next, partner model prompts with multiple reference images. So I'm going to go to Generative Fill, then select Nano Pro, and you'll see there are now Adobe models and partner models. And now with the partner models, you can actually add a reference image, and not just one image, you can add multiple reference images. We'll get into that next. And I'm going to begin my prompt with add astronaut to this image. Pretty simple. So now we can tie images together with one prompt using reference image. So now I'm going to combine multiple images together in a prompt. Then I'm going to add my logo to each of them. So I'm going to go to Generative Fill, and I'm going to start choosing my reference images. So you can see here how you can just keep adding images. So I'm starting off my prompt, pretty simple, combining these images and adding a backdrop in a specific hex color. This is something that you can do with the newer models. So this came out perfect, and the color matches the hex color. Next, I'm going to load up my logo as a reference image. Then I'm going to prompt Nano Pro to add this logo to the front of the hat and the bottle. So there you have it, combining multiple images, a logo, a hex color, all in one image. And lastly, Firefly 5. So one of the other updates to Generative Fill is the addition of Firefly 5 as a generative AI model. So if you head over to the Adobe tab, and then you'll see Firefly Image 5 Preview. So what Firefly 5 is really good at is making small adjustments to your images. In this example, I'm going to be changing her hair color to pink. So one thing that is different about Firefly Image 5 from some of the other previous Firefly models is that it only comes with one variation. You can combine 2 edits in one prompt. I'm going to change the color of her coat and remove her sunglasses at the same time. So there's before and there's after. So you can do multiple edits in one prompt. I don't know about you, but I'm looking forward to these beta updates showing up in Photoshop. Make sure and subscribe for more AI design tools and tips.